Your AC isn't cooling because of this. If you're a homeowner, check the easy stuff first. If you're renting, then tell your landlord ASAP. Short on time. 2 quick fixes now. 80% of the time, warm air comes from a clogged filter, a dirty condenser coil. First, check the air filter. If it's gray, if it's packed, swap it in minutes. Next, inspect the outdoor unit. Clear leaves, gently brush the coil or blast with low-pressure water. If airflow and cooling don't improve, call a tech. Follow for AC troubleshooting and quick fixes you can do today.